Alright, let's get into the fun part, actually building your squad. But before we dive into the tactics, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated with all our FPL tips throughout the season. Now, we're logged in and heading straight to the squad selection tab. First things first, every great manager needs a legendary team name. Our guy, Albert, is going with Zoolander Harlander. Honestly, a solid choice. Next, you'll pick your favourite club. He's sticking with Man City. Just a quick tick on the terms and conditions and we're moving. Now, you've got a choice. Go solo or let the system help you out. If you're new or just want a quick start, the Help Me Out tool is a lifesaver. It will walk you through a few preferences, like whether you want players from your favourite club, we're saying yes to that, and how you want to handle your £100 million budget. A balanced spend is usually the smartest way to ensure you have quality on the pitch and on your bench. We're also keeping our position focus balanced between defence and attack. After a quick look at the summary, we hit generate team and boom, there's the squad. We've got some big names like Virgil, Grealish and Isak ready to go. Now, if you're a bit of a control freak like me, you can always hit reset to clear the board and pick every single player manually from the list on the left. That's where the real strategy happens. Finally, if any of this still feels a bit overwhelming, don't worry. The FPL Basics page is packed with videos and guides to explain everything from transfers to bonus points. Get familiar with it and let's have a massive season.